Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski, your instructor with Week 1 Screencast video for English 1102. So, hopefully, by now you've been able to view the orientation video that's been published here and the welcome announcement. As far as Week 1 goes, we're going to take it a little easy. We have the icebreaker forum and the discussion board. The initial post is due on Tuesday. Friday, the exercise 2, discussion board number 2. Initial post is due. And I'll get to that in a minute. And then responses, the 2 responses are all the responses that are required for the discussion boards, will be due Sunday, end of day. As you will notice here, and if you looked at the schedule, you have due dates of Tuesday, Friday, Sunday. Just about anything is due on those 3 days. You can put it in your schedule, take a look at Blackboard and your course. This is going to be consistent through the 8 weeks. So, discussion boards is typical icebreaker post. Everybody has to talk a little bit about themselves. You want to be as detailed as possible. Also, I'm going to ask you to respond to at least 3 of your classmates there. So you want to make sure that you can respond to as many people as you want. You want to make sure that you're engaging with your classmates, right? Then later in the week, we have discussion board number 2, and you will need some activity. This will be a book activity, so you want to make sure you get your textbook. As I say in the instructions here, it's on page 13. I want you to take a look at that, exercise 2, and you can read that particular section in the textbook. Let me get back to my announcements. You have a couple of options here. You have the option to get the book through the bookstore. You can find it out on the market if you want. In some instances, there might even be a free PDF version out there on the web. I'm not sure how consistent or how good a link might be there, but you might want to click on that. All right. So this is the first week schedule, a couple of discussion boards to start off, and we'll have a discussion about research and research topics because that is the focus of English 1102. You're going to begin with developing a research topic that you will carry. This one research topic will carry you throughout the course, okay, from not so much week 1, but going into week 2 all the way through week 8. It's going to be one research topic that you will research and write about. So it's consistent. All the discussion board activity is going to center on focusing your efforts in developing your topic, working with sources, pulling together the research essay draft, and using and citing sources. So it's important that we look at the discussion board activity as an integral part in this course, and not only in your grade, but in developing those steps. This is not idle, busy work that we sometimes get accused of assigning. Most of these, in fact, all of these discussion board posts have a specific purpose and are tied to your research topic or content in the textbook. And it gives everybody an opportunity to share their thinking. So engage with your classmates in this particular activity. And besides, your average on the discussion boards is worth 30% of your overall grade. So something to keep in mind as they come up during the course of each week. All right, so that's the week 1 schedule. If you have any issues, send me an email. Good luck.